Guess who's back? Hey, back again. Ew, Keiwi's back. Tell a friend. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Y'all, I know it has been like a super duper long minute since I have done a YouTube video, but I promise y'all I didn't just leave y'all. A bitch got married. Yeah, I got married, guys, so that's where I've been. I've been MIA, wedding planning, all that good stuff. I got some story time videos coming for you guys about where I've been and what I've been doing. But for today, I've got some swatches for you guys. Woo! I got some swatches from Keiwi Cosmetics. If you guys didn't know, I have my own cosmetic line, so I make all of my products: matte liquid lipsticks, lip glosses, eyeshadows, pressed fall eyeshadows, pressed glitters, all that good stuff your girl makes by hand. It's all vegan and cruelty free, okay? So yes, today's video is going to be on some swatches of my most popular shades for the fall slash kind of sort of winter. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to be swatching today, stay tuned.
My neck is fixing, make pain, deposits, my gloss is jumping, he like my hair, he thinks this part, I see it, I like it, I want it, I got 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 it.
So if you guys have been following me on IG, you've seen me do a number of different looks using my Keiwi Cosmetics products. So again, if you guys didn't already know, I have my own cosmetic line. I make all of my products by hand with the exception of like my lashes and my brushes. But I make majority of my products by hand. Again, all vegan and cruelty free, okay? Because let me tell you something, we ain't got time. We don't have time. But yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you guys some swatches of my most popular shades. So I have on this oversized sweater, crop top sweater thingy bobber. So I'm going to just roll up my sleeves so I can swatch on my arm. So let's get into these swatches. The first shade that I'm going to swatch is Billionaire. And this is one of my pressed glitters. It sells out like every week. Every time I make a fresh batch, it sells out. So this is what it looks like. And I'm not using any glitter primer, any type of primer or concealer. I'm just using my fingers, y'all. And I'm getting a good amount. And then I'm going to swatch it. Boom. Look at that. Like, it looks like this. You don't even need any type of primer or glitter glue. The only reason I would suggest using like a glitter glue is if you're like me and you have oily eyelids. It goes good with anything. A little bit goes a long way, as you guys can see. So yeah, this is Billionaire. So the next shade that I'm going to swatch is Sangria. And I'm sorry that mine looks like this, but this is my personal eyeshadow. So I'm swatching from my stock. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch Sangria over here because I want to put another one in between Billionaire and Sangria. But this is what Sangria looks like. So it's like a pretty red slash pinkish color, and it has sparkles in it. Not too many sparkles, but it has a good number of sparkles in it. And the goal of my eyeshadows are pretty much to be pigmented without the use of like a lot of concealer or primer. Like, I really want my customers to do just what I did. Use your fingers or a brush and then swipe it on your lid and be able to get like a good amount of pigment. So the next color that I'm going to swatch is Summer Nights. So this was initially with the summer collection of eyeshadows that I released, but it was still popular when fall came around and people are still buying it. It was like a hit during Halloween because people just love the shade. So this is pressed glitter, but it's like a foil slash glitter, and it has a really pretty I can't talk. It has a really pretty holographic kind of shade to it. So I'm going to put Summer Nights right here, and you guys should be able to see the holographic sparkle in there. Like, I just love Summer Nights so much. I'm going to do it over here one more time. So this is Summer Nights, and again, you can really see like the sparkles in it. It's got that holographic kind of look to it. Like, I just love Summer Nights, and it goes pretty with red lipstick. It goes pretty with brown lipstick. I haven't done it with pink lipstick, but the shade just really pops with like red and brown lip colors. I don't know why. So that was Summer Nights. Again, it's like a purple holographic kind of pressed foil slash glitter, and it's another one of our most popular shades. So let's get into the next shade. So for all my ladies who like those browns and golds and neutral tones, this one would be for you. So this shade is Goddess, and oh my god, y'all, I love Goddess so much because let me just show y'all. First of all, I have to make sure that I swatch this one right and not have it. So Goddess is like a pretty golden color. Like, oh man, look at that, y'all. I don't know why my swatches, I suck at swatches, okay? So let me pull this up here a little bit. But I didn't go back. Look how horrible that looks. I suck at swatching, y'all. Like, I'm not a good swatcher. That just, it is what it is. I'm just not a good swatcher, okay? I can't do it. So yeah, that's Goddess. And like I said, it's a pretty golden tone. Oh, the foil in this shadow is like, oh my god, y'all, it's like to die for. Like, I'm looking at them in my computer screen, so I know that y'all are gonna be able to, y'all gonna be like, yes, Key, and I'll be like, yes, bitch, when you gonna place your order? No, just joking. But seriously, these shades sell out all the time. So like, I'm always so excited to make a fresh batch of shadows. And look at my finger. Like, you can see Goddess on my finger. I was just ready to wipe it off, but look at that. This next shade is Emerald City, and I released this shade in the summer too with Summer Nights and Billionaire, and it's still popular, and I'm actually about to really push it and promote it for the holiday season because I'm going to sell this shade with red matte liquid lipstick that I'm about to make, and it's going to be a part of a holiday bundle. So this is Emerald City. This is another one of our pressed glitters. This one has loose, like, fine glitters, and I use my foil base to just kind of make it a pressed glitter. So this is what it looks like on my fingertips, and I'm going to do you guys a little swatchy swatch. Let me get the top again. Like, the way I like to apply Emerald City, because it's made of the looser fine glitters, it's not so much of a kind of a swipe and apply. I don't know if you guys like were paying attention when I was swatching it, my horrible swatch, but it kind of got like a little choppy in here, and that's because they're fine glitters. So I recommend applying Emerald City by like just tapping it on your lid, and I probably would use a glitter primer or some type of glitter glue just to make sure that these fine glitters stay in place, because like I said, if you're like me and you have oily eyelids, like, you can just, it's not going to stay in place. And we deal with that with glitters, shadows, whatever we put on our eyelids, is all is going to come through and ruin it. So these are the swatches so far, and I have one more for you guys. I'm really excited about this next one because it's so pretty. This shade is actually our limited edition shade, so when it's gone, I really don't know if I will make more. It hasn't quite sold out. I think I might have like 3 left in stock. But again, this is one of my fun shades, and I'll swatch it up here so you guys can see. This one is Mystic, and I love it because it's color shifting, so you guys can kind of see a little bit the color shifts, and I'll put a little bit of the pigment over it. But it's our only color shifting pressed foil. So these are Keiwi Cosmetics' most popular eyeshadows and pressed glitters right now. So Mystic is our, again, color shifting pressed foil. This is the only color shifting pressed foil that we have, and it is limited edition, so when it's sold out, that might be it, unless my customers say, can you please bring it back, then I'll make more of it. But this is a really fun pigment if you're into color and different, like, exotic, different looks, like something that you usually wouldn't go for. Mystic is perfect. And then Billionaire is our most popular pressed glitter. I sell out of this shade like every week, y'all, but like when I tell you that Billionaire is like fire, this pressed glitter is fire, y'all. I mean, it can take a look from like 100 to 1,000,000. That's how fire this stuff is. Like, I love this pressed glitter. And then we have Summer Nights, which is a purple pressed foil slash glitter holographic color. And then we have Sangria. I love Sangria, especially for right now, like the fall approaching winter type of season thing going on. Sangria is like really pretty, and it just goes with those vampy looks. If you want to do like a dark lip and stuff, Sangria is gorgeous with it. And then Goddess. Y'all will love Goddess. I promise. If you like golds, browns, oh my god, Goddess will be your favorite shade. Like, literally, if I could wear Goddess to work every day, I probably would. But I just don't want to overdo it. I just don't want to overdo it, y'all. And then the last one is Emerald City, and this is our loose pressed glitter. So I think I might have done this Emerald City with like a blue or a purple. But other than that, browns, like, oh my god, it's so pretty with browns. So yeah, guys, here you have it. Keiwi Cosmetics most popular eyeshadows, pressed glitters, pressed foils. We have it all. I will leave the links for all of these shades in the description box, and I hope that you guys love them as much as I do. Thank you, babies, for watching, and I will see you guys soon.